Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with Janmashtami special recipe. Janmashtami vibes are present in air as the Janmashtami is coming soon. This is a grandly celebrated festival. With this, we also desire to cook varieties of bhoga offering recipe for our little Krishna. Since it's a festival, a need for a sweet which is easy to make and delightful. So today we are going to make Kesar Malai Laddu. These laddus are so soft and creamy and melt in mouth. I am sure this will be a definite addition into your Janmashtami Bhoga offering list. So let's begin quickly. Here I have taken a vessel. Into this add 2 liters of cow's milk. Now we will let the milk boil well. Stir the milk once or twice in between so that it does not stick to the vessel. It has been 15 minutes and the milk has boiled. Now turn off the flame and let the milk cool for 5 to 7 minutes. Here I have taken 2 lemons juice and into this add 5 to 6 tablespoons of water. Take amount of water and the lemon juice must be equal. After 5 minutes add the lemon and water mixture in the milk. Do not add all at once. Add small amount. Make sure to not use only lemon juice. It is must to use lemon juice with water. Keep stirring it until you get clear greenish water on the top. Finally, the milk has curdled. You can see the paneer has been separated and formed so well. The green water too has formed. Now take a bowl and place a strainer onto this. Strain the paneer. All the paneer have been collected. Now remove the water. Wash the paneer well to remove the sour flavor of the lemon. Wash it nicely. The paneer have been washed. Squeeze it to remove excess water and keep this paneer as it is in a bowl for half an hour. It has been half an hour. The paneer is ready. It is not too wet anymore nor too dry also. This is perfect. Now heat a pan. Into this add half cup of fresh cream. Instead of this, you can also use fresh malai which is extracted from the milk. Now cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute add the paneer that we had made. Combine both these immensely well. It is very simple and easy to make with few ingredients. Stir it continuously. Stir it until both cream and paneer get combined really well and seem undifferentiable. After 5 minutes, you can observe the mixture is turning dry. Before it seemed more loose, but now its texture is ideal. Next, add 150 gram or 7 to 8 tablespoons of condensed milk. Give it a good mix to combine all thoroughly. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. Keep stirring it continuously to avoid its darkening from one side. We need to cook it on low flame only until the mixture becomes thick and foldable. You can observe the mixture is turning dry, but we need to cook it further until it turns more dry and releases from the edges. Keep scraping the sides. Here I had soaked 10 to 12 saffron strands in 1/4 cup of warm milk before and half an hour ago. Further add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix all this well and evenly. Cook it until it gets well combined. Soaking saffron ensures a wonderful color and flavor in our laddus, giving it a royal taste. It has been 20 minutes. You can see our mixture is foldable. We need this consistency only. If it is too loose or wet, then we won't be able to make laddus. So make sure to get this exact consistency. With this, the mixture is ready. Now switch off the flame. Take it out in a plate and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rub this mixture using the palm to smoothen it for 5 minutes. These authentic laddus are so creamy that they easily melt in mouth. After 5 minutes, you can see the mixture has smoothened and softened. It is ready. Now grab some mixture and make the laddus. It is ready. These are so soft and smooth to roll. Their texture too is perfect. Similarly, make another laddu as well. We used very few ingredients to get such beautiful golden laddus. With this, all laddus are ready. So finally, I have made all the laddus which are liked by Krishna so much, and these are so soft and creamy. Now place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Krishna. Our Janmashtami special Kesar Malai Laddu are offered and ready. Try it out and stay connected to Krishna's cuisine. If you like Bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Bhoga recipe. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.